Welcome back. In Kashmir, it appears that every consecutive chief minister is busy constructing a new official residence at huge public expense. Now Chief Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad has outdone them all by renovating the 66-room Hari Niwas Palace in Srinagar.
The erstwhile Hari Niwas Palace in Srinagar being renovated by its new occupant, the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. The 66-room palace is being redecorated at a staggering cost of 11 crore rupees, and it's the third Chief Minister residence in the city. But Ghulam Nabi Azad says the palace is the ideal choice.
तो पिछली दफा कैबिनेट में हमने फैसला किया कि एक जरूरत है परमानेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर्स के लिए मकान, कोई अपने घर में रहता है, मेरी तरह कोई गेस्ट हाउस में रहता है, तो ऐसा नहीं, एक महफूज जगह पे होना चाहिए. तो अब हम नया जो पैलेस था वो उसको ठीक किया जा रहा है.
Azad is not the first chief minister to spend public money on a palatial house. Farooq Abdullah, who stayed at his own house at Gupka Road as chief minister, spent heavily on its expansion and security. He also ordered the construction of an official residence next to the Hari Niwas Palace, overlooking the Dal Lake. But he lost power before the building could be completed.
Strangely enough, where Ghulam Nabi Azad is building the Chief Minister's residence is right next door to the site that had been allocated by Dr. Abdullah for the Chief Minister's residence. Unfortunately, because the money doesn't belong to them, they have no care for the money.
The taxpayer also paid for the renovation of PDP leader Mufti Muhammad Saeed's private home at Naugaon, where he never lived after becoming the Chief Minister. He chose this house on Maulana Azad Road instead and spent rupees 5 crore on it. He also built a 1 crore rupee safe house made of bulletproof glasses to ward against militant attacks. Now a PDP MLA is living in this palatial house. And who knows who will be the next Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir after next Assembly elections in 2008, and whether he will like to stay in this designated CM residence or he too will build one more CM residence at the taxpayers' cost. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.